heart, I am a collector, which is why it took me a while to find my car. I'm very particular with it. I wanted the perfect one. I wanted the one I envisioned in my head. Just like cars and comics, I mean, I went through the same thing. I go to a store, I see a lot of different comics, but there's always that one I want. Just like when I went to different dealerships, I saw different kinds of Challengers, and they all have their own personality. But there's always that one comic book that catches my attention that I want and I will get. My name is Edgar Vargas. I live in San Bernardino, California. This is my 2012 Dodge Challenger RT. You know, if there's any Dodge Challenger out there that's very similar to the 76, it's the RT Classic. I chose to upgrade my interior because I grew up watching my dad always fix up his cars, and the interior was always a main component of doing so. And when I got my car, I had original cloth, black cloth. Since I did purchase it used, I didn't like the smell of the cloth and how it felt. So I upgraded to Katzkin's leather, and ever since then, it smells fresh, it feels fresh, it just feels different, you know, it feels like a brand new car. Katzkin exceeded my expectations. Good looking interior, professionally done, it looks original. My car fits my daily lifestyle in a way that if I want to drive fast, I can. If I want to cruise, I can. I got leather seats in it, so it feels better now.